How to find equilibrium price and quantity? The question is, given demand and supply functions of a good as a demand function is Q subscript D is equal to 100 minus 5P, where Q denotes the quantity demanded, P is the price, and quantity supplied is equal to 50 plus 5P. This is the supply function. We need to find out the equilibrium price and quantity. Now we know that at equilibrium what exactly happens. If I draw the graph here, if we have the quantity on the horizontal axis and price on the vertical axis, okay, so if I draw first this demand function, you can see we have Q is equal to 100 minus 5P. Okay, if I draw the graph of this function, what will happen? If Q is equal to 0, in this equation, so that means 5P will be equal to 100. That gives us P will be equal to 100 divided by 5, which is equal to 20. So when Q is equal to 0, P is equal to 20. Let us suppose this point denotes 20. And similarly, when P is equal to 0 in this equation, so Q will be equal to 100. So Q is 100. Let us suppose this point denotes, and let us draw this. This is our demand function. Okay. Similarly, if I draw the supply function, that is Q is equal to 50 plus 5P. So we can also draw this function on this graph. Okay, but its slope will be upwards here because the coefficient of P is positive, so it will be like this. This is our supply function. Let us say this denotes a supply function. Now equilibrium requires and equilibrium occurs. Let me write it here. Equilibrium occurs where demand function or demand curve intersects the supply function. Okay, when demand is equal to supply. Now demand function is this. Q is equal to 100 minus 5P, and supply function is Q is equal to 50 plus 5P. Since LHS or both demand and supply functions are same, we can equate RHS. That means demand is equal to 100 minus 5P will be equal to the supply, which is 50 plus 5P. Okay, doing some basic calculation here. Transpose this 5P here and this 50 here. So what will happen? Simple. So we have 100. Transposing this 50, it will become minus 50, which is equal to, and let's write it here. Here we have 5P. When we transpose this minus 5P, it will become plus 5P. So we get 100 minus 50 is 50 is equal to 5P plus 5P is 10P. Okay. So what will we do? Divide both sides by 10. In this equation, if we divide both sides by 10, so let's divide both sides by 10. So dividing here by 10, here by 10. So 10 gets cancelled. So price is equal to 50 upon 10 is 5. So equilibrium price will be equal to 5. Let us suppose this denotes equilibrium price. To find out the equilibrium quantity, simply plug P is equal to 5 either in demand or supply function. Let us put it into the supply function. So Q will be equal to 50 plus 5P. That gives us 50 plus 5. The value of P is 5 here. So we can write 50 plus 25, which gives us 75 as equilibrium quantity. So Q will be equal to 75 here. Okay, so simple thing. We equate demand function with supply function to find equilibrium price and quantity. Okay, I hope I make myself clear in this video. Thank you.